Hello. Got a 2015 Corvette. Come to find out, most every Corvette out there, C7, the armrest starts looking disgusting from people's arms pushing on it. Makes that kind of thing. So, this is what I did. You got all these little screws. You got these little rubber grommets that just pull off with your fingernail right here. And then you get a T30 and you undo the screws. And this little thing comes off right here, off the latch. Put that aside. And you pull it off. And I decided I'm gonna put something under there instead of paying for a new one. So what I did, you see here, I'm in the process, put some heat on this, pull the leather off where it's glued. And I'm just using the heater. You can use a hairdryer or something, but anyway, I found this nice thing here, which will work just fine. This is from a life jacket. Opened up the back of it and there's 3. So if I mess up, I can redo it, which is pretty cool. So all I'm gonna need to do is cut a piece of this, put it in here, and make it nice again. So, just thought I'd try to help people out. I mean, I know a lot of people probably have this problem. So good luck. Thanks.